Intha have two trades. They have fishing and farming. Intha တွေမှာလုပ်ငန်းနှစ်မျိုးရှိတယ်။ငါးဖမ်းလုပ်ငန်းနဲ့လယ်ယာလုပ်ငန်းတို့ဖြစ်တယ်။ The farmers grow vegetables and fruits. They grow tomatoes, eggplants, chilies, lettuce that float on the surface of the lake. လယ်သမားတွေကကန်ရဲ့မျက်နှာပြင်ပေါ်မှာပဲဟင်းသီးဟင်းရွက်နဲ့သစ်သီးများခရမ်းကျင်သီးခရမ်းသီးငရုတ်သီးနဲ့ဆက်လက်ရွက်များကိုစိုက်ပျိုးကြတယ် Okay, these are the tomato farms. It was so beautiful. အရမ်းလှလိုက်တာ It was so beautiful to watch. While on the boat tour in Inle, I visited an ancient temple. Oh, no problem. And there were many locals selling flowers and crafts at the pagoda. Shehan Piajango, Dwayao Kebade, Bamyane, Lamu Pisidrego, Data Kamyale, Yaunira, Bamyane, Lamu Pisimiago, Yaunira. Tomato Paloa Mala. Okay. How about the Kuba Salame? They were also selling sticky rice. Droga Kaunine Yaunira. Okay, so now we're in the pagoda inside. Temple Payajang. Temple is Payajang. So Payajang literally means God's school. Paya is God, Jang school. Thank you, Amma. Found me to do which harder. To me. I was also stopped for wearing shorts inside the temple. Jimon Payate Winga. Ado Wisin, Dwamide, Dwa, Jimongo, Dasi Gejawade. Thank you. Now, are you like my family? Thank you. Women have to be covered to go inside the temple. အမျိုးသမီးတွေကလုံလုံခြုံခြုံဝတ်ဆင်မှာဖျားဝင်တဲ့ကိုဖျားကျောင်းကိုဝင်လို့ရတယ်